Hello, Bruin fans. Hi. It's Bruin here, back with another video, and we're gonna be doing. we're gonna show you the new update on the new 4th of July update. So this update is really awesome. So how much money it is to get these fireworks? They cost $7. They cost $7,500. Isn't that so expensive? Dude, I was so excited today. So if you want to see what it does, here's a quick show of it. It's not very exciting. It's just a firework. So here's what it does. Yep, it's not exciting. And it costs $20 to reload it. So you better be saving your money, champs. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe and watch for more videos, and subscribe and like for more videos. So that was the review. That was the firework review. So